I'm gonna put it in launch mode. We are going to engage, and when I apply full throttle and then let go of that brake, this thing's gonna launch. We all know the Ram 1500 TRX is unmatched when it comes to power in the full-size truck category, but how will it fare against a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat? Its little brother weighing 3,000 pounds less with the same powerhouse on the inside. This is a heads-up matchup with the TRX and the Dodge Challenger. All right, for starters, this isn't a stock Ram 1500 TRX, which pushes 702 horsepower. This is 740 horsepower. We got an S&B cold air intake, AWE exhaust. We have an ADD off-road front bumper here, which does add some weight, 3-inch springs, which does not make it more aerodynamic, but gives great off-road clearance. We are not off-road today, we are on an airstrip, but we're gonna see if this thing could still handle the power going down the track like it does off-road. Now, FSG's Dodge Challenger that you could win by going to freedomstreetgarage.com has some additional performance mods, including those Vossen wheels, a Corsa cold air intake, and Corsa exhaust. It looks amazing, it sounds great, and it also has some sticky tires, which is a little bit of an advantage. The hardest thing about this guy going off the line is getting traction in order to get down the track fast. The TRX with constant four-wheel drive is gonna beat this thing off the line. The question is, can it maintain that speed? I don't know which one's gonna win. Let's get in the truck, see how it does, and I'll see you at the finish line. The TRX has that jump, even with 37-inch monster meats and a 3-inch Geiser spring lift. This thing rips in a 16th mile. Anything further, another 100 yards in, I don't know. Challenger has some catch-up speed, unlike any other vehicle out there. It's a big dub for Team TRX. This TRX is unmatched to anything that we put against it. Four-wheel drive, wide off the line. Anything further than a 16th mile, I don't know if this would have won, because that Challenger is pretty badass in and of itself. If you want to win this Ram 1500 TRX, go to Forge4x4.com. Special bonus for you. If you want to win that Challenger, go to freedomstreetgarage.com. That's right, two companies, the same mission. Win this guy or that guy, both Hellcats that you could win and park in your garage. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. What happened, Joe? What happened?
You were distracting me. You were waving hands and stuff. We gotta run it back.
That didn't happen. That didn't happen. Launch mode activated. Oh, got him again. Got him again. Never a doubt. TRX comes through one more time. 2 for 2. Challenger doesn't even compare to the TRX.